I say, finally, you're back, baby.
Oh, yes, we are legally back. We can now go to work and not get locked up for cutting hair. Like they can't lock you up for cutting hair now. So that is a big win for us.
Hey, what's up, everyone? So, we made a live video on Facebook and it was challenging. Firstly, my Facebook wasn't updated and it took a whole different turn, and me trying to fix it and then having to update it and then trying to get the guest on. If you're new to this channel, I'm Warren. So I wanted to bring this information, or I wanted to bring my network of friends to you. So what I've done is I have contacted 3 of my friends that were willing to come alongside us as an industry, and I was intending to do this live Facebook chat so that the information is just there for everyone, and me not having to do it in this way where I have to put a specific video together and audit it. But I'm not lazy, I'm willing to do it. So I've downloaded everything, I'm putting everything together, and I'm going to smash it into this video so that it's in a shorter summarized version of it, and it's slightly more palatable, and we can just get that information quickly. And then obviously the links to those, or the contact information of my 3 guests, will be linked in the description. So this video is purely dedicated to sort of make a summarized version of the Facebook chat that we just had. So
Boom! Yes, sir. We've got Marlon on. Yes. Marlon
What's
with a
up,
mask
Warren?
on. Marlon, I'm alright, man. You make me uncomfortable now. Must I wear a mask now? But let me just wipe the screen off here. Just now, cough here on the screen and then you're upset.
Yes,
Alright.
sanitize, sanitize.
Sanitize. Marlon, how you doing, man?
Excellent, Warren, man. Good to see you.
No, likewise, man. Yesterday, I'm sitting here trying to figure out how this thing work. It is a technical business, brother.
Hey,
Yo.
bro. When you need it to work, it never does.
Okay,
But
but I have to
you're up and
confess.
running, brother.
Yeah, but I have to confess, man. Like it's actually it's my fault. It's working now. It's working now because I didn't update my Facebook in a while.
firstly, we had Marlon on, and Marlon has made available face masks, because that is one of the requirements that we need to adhere to. So he's got face masks available for free for my audience. So that's really awesome. Thank you, Marlon. And then we also had Helene from the Heart Guardian Emergency Training. I got it right, and I got her name right, Helene. In the video, you don't understand how many times I said Helena. Helena, you are watching, Helena. Isn't Helena, okay, Helena. I got it wrong so many times, okay? But eventually I got it as Helene, and she just, answered some of the questions that I had in terms of what do I need to do to go back to work. I think the big one, and what we unpacked in great length on the live chat, was, what this amendment means to the Government Gazette. And it basically means that addition, it's an inclusion, my apologies, it's inclusion, it's adding to the already issued protocol. So that was important. And then we also discussed what happens if you are positive for COVID-19, and that was a very interesting discussion as in terms of what we are obligated to do, and when we omit to do certain things, what the implications of that is, and that was basically the discussion. And then also we spoke about disposing of used PPE, which is now a biohazard. So that was interesting stuff, things that we don't think about. And then the big thing is that we need to have a health and safety file, which a lot of salons do have, but many of them don't. So she's come alongside and said that she will do a workshop with us, and I want to say an accredited workshop, so you get a certificate at the end. And she'll do one session for our industry, and that includes beauty, it includes hairdressing, it includes the tattoo industry, and I'll put her information in this video. and she'll do it for free, but she'll do one session for us and she'll do it for free. Hopefully we want to do it as soon as we possibly can, so we need to decide together. I'll create a poll. We need to decide if we want to do it. I was thinking Thursday coming. I want to say it's the 25th, so I was thinking Thursday the 25th. I might have the dates wrong. I'll fix it. Yes, I'll fix it. So either we do it early morning or we do it in the evening. We decide, because we obviously want to get back to the shop, as we are now allowed to do that. And then also I really did, I promise, I tried to get Biden also into the live chat, because Biden, I've chatted with Biden before. There's a video, I think vlog 6. He also has an offering for us as an industry. He said that he'll give us discounted rates for the PPE packs that we need. And what that means is the posters that we need to put up in our stores, the stickers and decals that we need, that says social distancing or wear a mask, those things, the pack. He's got a printing company in Cape Town, so he said that he'll give it to us at a discounted rate. So that's really what the live chat was about. And then we struggled to put it together, so I thought, let me just do a re-recording to sort of summarize it and just get it condensed, so that when you do see that live chat and you look at the time, the duration of it, like, how do you endure this? How do you go through all of this? I thought of just making a shorter version of it so that you know what it's about. I'll put snippets of that video in this video. And then obviously the important part is their contact information. If you like this type of information and you found value in it, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you stay informed of future movies that I make, and also information that I bring to the industry. So hopefully this helps all of us. Hopefully this is not too painful to endure. But I will link everything and I'll try and get it out as quick as we possibly can, because this information is valuable. Thank you. It is still Father's Day, so by the time you watch this, I don't know if it's Father's Day, but happy Father's Day to every dad out there and father figures out there, and those that just sort of has the heart of a father. Sometimes it's not even the fact that you have a kid or not, it's just that you have the heart of a father and you're a father figure. And then obviously to those that have kids, happy Father's Day. Thank you. One more thing, at the end of the live video, there was something that was really important to me, and I feel I want to talk about it just a little bit and just really sort of express why I shared it and my thoughts on it. It is that with all the new regulations that we now have, we choose, and you may choose to do the same, just for the sake of it being simple and it's easier to do, is when it comes to disposing of or cleaning, the PPE, and many of us are going to go the route of just getting disposable capes and disposable aprons. And then when we dispose of that, I think that we just really have to be mindful of our planet. We've done such a great job in terms of minimizing our carbon footprint. So please be mindful when you dispose of the waste, if I can say that. Yeah. So please, let's look after our planet. It's our planet.
But Marlon, you having something exciting, man, that we had a discussion and I want to share it with everybody on here, because I'm not going to delete this video. I'm going to post this video in every group that I have. Is that okay?
Yes.
I know I'm kind of putting you on the spot a little bit, just a little.
No, absolutely no problem, Warren. Look, it's
okay,
no secret that yeah.
I'm too excited about it, so I'm not going to share your news. Is that all right?
Go for it.
Listen, and this is Marlon, if he chooses so to, he can obviously give you a background, but for the barbers that's in the Western Cape right now, just wave on the screen if you're there. Comment there down below. Show me, Warren, I'm a barber, I'm here. I want to see those comments there. Is there any barbers here? Specifically in the Western Cape. I'm going to have to scroll down here. Must I scroll down or up? Marlon has made available to the first 10 barbers in this chat right now. The first 10 barbers in this chat. You need to comment in this chat. Marlon's giving the first 10 barbers in this chat, to the owner and staff, free masks. for free, absolutely free to the owner and staff. You can have it branded as he's showing off right now with all his masks. So he's come alongside.
The Gazette states that you've got to wear a mask. You've got to at least give 2 masks per worker. But in your environment, working such close range, I almost want to see where it is very difficult to keep that social distancing.
Yeah.
It's important that you guys wear face shields. You disinfect that, and it protects your eyes, and it protects, it's double protection. So when you guys start looking at the gazettes, please understand that that's minimum criteria.
Yeah.
You can go above and beyond that criteria. And make it even safer.
Yeah.
And when an inspector comes to your premises, and these things are in place, you know what? You will feel so relieved that you've actually done all of this. But if it's not in place, well, then there's certain things they will do it on a scoring system, and if they feel you are endangering your staff, they will shut you down immediately.
Sure.
Or they could actually give you a 48-hour time period to fix whatever they're not happy with.
Also mentioned there that hazardous, and we can go over and above, and I can't help but think, what happens to all of this stuff once we've used it? We've got, it's not just a matter of throwing things in the washing machine, is it?
Fantastic question, Warren. Fantastic. So, yes, that's where the Hazardous Biological Agents Act comes into play. Boom, there you go. So it is personal protective equipment that cannot be disinfected or that cannot be put into a washing machine. You have to get rid of it, and obviously in a safe way by placing it into that specific bin that needs to be stored away. When you guys, move out, lock that bin into a storeroom where it's locked away, and you need to also train your cleaners how to work with contaminated, contamination bags, and because that could most likely also be a huge risk for them if they don't get trained to use that. Yeah. So anything from surgical masks to anything that's disposable aprons, your mop caps if you use them, your shoe covers if you use them, that all needs to go into a biohazard bin.